This is session 20 of human endocrine disorder topic. In this session, we are going to study about one hormonal disorder called acromegaly. Now, acromegaly is the disorder which is mainly caused due to the excessive production of growth hormone. So, growth hormone is produced by pituitary gland, and growth hormone is involved in the normal growth of the human body. So, all tissues like muscle tissue, bone tissue. So, the growth of these tissues is controlled by growth hormone, and it's produced by the pituitary gland. So, whenever, as we studied in previous sessions, whenever there is hypersecretion or hyposecretion of a particular hormone, it will lead to some abnormal conditions. Now here, whenever there is oversecretion of growth hormone, it will result in two conditions. One is gigantism, which we already studied in the previous session. Now another condition that may happen is acromegaly. Now what is the basic difference between gigantism and acromegaly? Now gigantism is normally a condition which occurs due to hypersecretion of growth hormone in the from the beginning only, say from embryonic condition or from the birth condition itself. There will be hypersecretion and the person grows to a very large sized body. Now here acromegaly is a condition where in the initial stages of life the secretion of the pituitary hormone, that is growth hormone, is normal, but later due to some causes it starts producing more quantity of hormone, and that will lead to a condition called acromegaly. Now acromegaly leads to the abnormal growth of bone, hands, feet, face, and enlargement of organs, etc. But here, as the name suggests, acro means tip region. So only the terminal parts of the body like hands, feet, nose tips, etc. they become enlarged compared to the other parts of the body. Now that is the difference between gigantism and acromegaly. Now oversecretion or hypersecretion of growth hormone will result in higher amounts of IGF-1, and too much of this IGF-1 can cause abnormal growth of soft tissues and skeletal tissues and other symptoms which are associated with acromegaly. Now, some of the important symptoms associated with acromegaly. So, the most important uh, result of acromegaly is broad broadening or overgrowth of terminal parts of the body. Along with that, we find the following uh, symptoms: sleeplessness, excess fatigue, hoarse voice, profuse sweating, frequent headaches, abnormal weight gain, enlargement of jaws or tongue, enlargement of internal organs, especially the heart. So, like this, development of weakness in the muscles, painful and swollen joints, excessive growth of hair in case of women, fingers and toes are widespread. So this is the deviation from the normal hand, development of more spaces between the teeth, developed tags on skin, usually of non-cancerous growths. The sebaceous glands are enlarged and the skin is thick, enlargement of the bones present in the hands, face, and feet. Now, here in this picture, you can see the difference between a normal face and the acromegaly face. So, some proportionately, it appears as if it is swollen. And hands and legs, as we already discussed, the hands and legs, and especially the terminal parts of the hands and legs, are enlarged. Teeth, a lot of space is found between the teeth. So normally they are closely fitted, but here in this person you can see such a gap between the neighboring teeth. So this is another symptom. Now, so this is about acromegaly, which is caused due to the excessive secretion of growth hormone.